Thank you for downloading what we've called the business coach template. Coaches, this template is ideal for you, particularly if you have a program to sell. Okay, so what I'm going to do is give you an overview of the template and show you one or two places where you can change the template to suit your brand identity. All right, so this is the hero, what we've called the hero section. And on here, you put in compelling large headline, a powerful hook, statement describing the clear outcomes of your program, what to expect from your program. You've got your call to action. And let me show you, we're going to also have included in this training the Canva template. And in the Canva template, I've included the palette, the color palette. And if you click on there, you can see the link to the color palettes, which if you go to the link, there you are. We've used colors.co, and this is the color palette we've used for that template. Okay, now you can change this color palette to suit you, to suit your brand identity as mentioned. Now, in terms of the background, which is there, we've included that background for you as well. We've also included another background in case you want to change the one we have provided for you. Okay, now this image, include the image, which is this one. Okay, so you've got the image. In fact, the size for that image is 916 by 1000 pixels. Okay, all right, so moving on to the next section, another headline should go here. A brief, put on here your copy, a brief sentence to emphasize again why your program is important, what results are they supposed to get. And it's sometimes, I think videos are a good make a good connection to your prospects, so I encourage you to put a video here. If we look at the back end of system for this template, this video here is a it's an uploaded file, and if you upload a video, you have a chance in system to put in a thumbnail image file, which we have done, which is, the thumbnail is here. Okay, so we've got the thumbnail background and we've got an icon on here to say it's a video. So for you, you could upload a file and put in a thumbnail, or you could put in a direct link. So that is maybe the link to YouTube and what have you, a custom embed. All right, so that's that section. And the next section is, let me know if it is you, or if this is you. So in other words, about 3 to 6 bullet points outlining your ideal clients' most important pain points or desired results. So what their issue is, because you want to highlight what their issue is, so that they can see that actually, if this is you, this program is meant for you. So in terms of this graphic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we've provided that for you as well, which is in here. All right, so we provided that for you as well. Let me just quickly show you how you can change in case you want to change the color to suit your brand identity. What you just need to do, for example, is select the box. Let's say, sorry, the circle rather. Let's say you want to change the circle to another color. Say you want to change it to, I don't know, purple. I don't know. So you do that, and then share, download, PNG, transparent background, and you want to download page 3. Okay, so done. So download. Now, when it downloads, select it. I've got a Mac, so I'm working from a Mac. And what I can do is, when I select the image, I can crop out that graphic. Yeah, so I can crop out that graphic. Okay, so edit, cut, file, new from clipboard, and that's the graphic here. So if I call that, give it a name. Oh, this file, save. Okay, and I save it. Let's say it has 1. Okay, save. So on system, the back end, select that image, then upload the one we have just saved. So that's that one. Open, insert. Voila. All right, as simple as that. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's that section. Now you will notice the line on here. We actually have CSS code. Very simple, very simple. So we have the CSS code on here. All right, so raw HTML edit code, and on here there's a comment that shows you what exactly each CSS is doing. So for example, on here we have that the row, the border left is this color. Okay, and for that particular row it's a solid white color. So in our case, for this row, yeah, this row here, this border, this left border is that color, which is this one. All right, so if you want to change the color of that border, just know what the hex code is and include the hex code here. Okay, cool. So next image, we've provided that for you, which is here. All right, so again, it is a 1033 by 1315 pixels. Okay, and for this one, in terms of getting this color of a line, we go to the editor, the back end. Let's go to that section, which is here. All we've just done again is CSS. Pretty straightforward, because on system you don't have the ability yet to indicate the color of the text. So what we can do is on the CSS code on here, again there's a comment to explain it to you. We need bottom border with style and color of text boxes. All right, and this is it. So just look for the text ID, and that's the color. Okay, good stuff. So next, introduce the name of program. That image is, we've provided that image for you, which is, I'll close that one down, right, to make it easy. So there we go, which is this one. Okay, so just upload it to, or upload whatever image that you have. That's the name of your program. Highlight who this program is for, your different avatars, who it's for, what our client's saying. This element here is a system element, and all we've just done is put in the color of the border, which you can change on system. And in terms of this line on here, again, very similar to what I said earlier. That's it. So border left, and that's the text, and you can change the hex code on here. Okay, this image provided for you, which is here. All right, what else do I emphasize? I've talked about the borders. I've provided an image for you, which is here. Okay, that's that one, and a different, how much it is, yeah, and a final section to appeal to why people need the program. Then we've got FAQs. We use the FAQ elements on there. Okay, and we have your board, your footer. So in terms of the menu, this anchors to a section. So for example, if I select about me, it anchors to about me section of the page, and I will show you how that is done. So if you go to about me, which is here. Okay, so what we've done here is we have put in a code. So div ID is about me, yeah, and so you put in this code, yeah. Now you put in this code. When you go to the menu, and highlight where you want the link. So this about me, you highlight on here where you want that link to take you to. All you just need to put is hash about me, and it will anchor you to that div, anchor you to that part of the page. The same thing for program. So on program, we put in the div. Where's the program now? Sorry, bear with me. Where we? There we go. So we put in the div on here as well. Edit code. There we go. So it's called program. So on the menu, there. So whenever you select program, you put hash program, and it will anchor you to that part of the page, which we have done here. So program anchors you to that part of the page. Okay. Another page that we have provided is the contact me page. So select contact me, and we get onto the contact me page. You've got this image already. You can change the colors to suit your brand, and also you can put in links, social media links. If you want to change the color of the icons, very similar to what I did for that, changing the graphics. Yeah, very similar way to do it. Okay. So what else is on the contact me page that is worth highlighting? So for you can put in the links on here. So if I go, I don't want to save changes now. Nope. Okay. So if I go to the contacts page, edit it. Yeah. So for you can select Facebook, for example, and then put in your link to Facebook. I always say ensure you select open in a new window, so that it opens whenever they select the Facebook icon. It opens in a new window, and your funnel or your website is still open. You don't lose it, so you have that still open. Okay. So yeah, so that is the business coach template. I hope that's been useful for you. You can change it to suit your brand, change it to suit your brand identity, and add all the necessary copy to suit your needs. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help. Thank you.